awful tough lately. Smoking a lot of cigarettes lately. But inside, it's just a little baby.
Drop it.
It's okay to say that a weak spot.
It's Hoodie
You
Allen.
don't always have to be on top.
What up, Marina? You know how we do. They telling me to take the safe route. This is the detour. Hoodie, baby, you ain't seen a kid like this before him. Late night shooting for the moon like Warren. Them hits come out as soon as you hit recording. Born in America, Chevy and Ford. But these Greek ladies loving me, they saying he's foreign. Floored them, glued the crowd down by they bootstraps. Came up on the scene so quick you think we was a newscast. Well, newsflash, I can see through that. People try to hide what's on their mind like a do-rag. Never would I do that, I'm a real fucking hustler. You be in the background making noise like a muffler. But if it doesn't kill me, it makes me tougher. And that's the message that I pass on to my brother. You never really gonna make a difference till you suffer, but we passed that. Now it's time to smash that thunder.
Acting awful tough lately. Smoking a lot of cigarettes lately. But inside, just a little baby. It's okay to say that a weak spot. You don't always have to be on top. Better to be hated. Better not go up your night.
Lately, I've been staying on my grind like a skateboard. I got some rocket power now, so let's take off. We going hard over these beats, y'all just stay soft. I don't even feel the need to say pause, cause you were cheap to the system, how you came and Bernie made off. I'm a firm believer that the hard work pays off. The playoffs, I treat them like Mora did. That means I'm working with a little to get more of it. And anybody who doubted us, we ignoring it. I'm on a different mission, an exhibition, no scoring it. So if we more legit, they treat us like a compound. Yeah, they wanna break us down, never gonna stop now. Cause being scared will only eat you like a cop out. Life's a haunted house, I'm ready to pop out. And shout outs to Marina for these pop sounds. I know you really love me, but let's let the chorus drop now.
Acting awful tough lately. Smoking a lot of cigarettes lately. But inside, just a little baby. It's okay to say that a weak spot. You don't always have to be on top. Better to be hated. Better not go up your night.
Stay slow up. Sometimes I'm just feeling like a robot, sitting around hoping that you'll show up. But you know what, slow up. Sometimes I'm just feeling like a robot, sitting around hoping that you'll show up. But you know what,
You've been acting awful tough lately. Smoking a lot of cigarettes lately. But inside, it's just a little baby. It's okay to say that a weak spot. You don't always have to be on top. Better to be hated than love for what you're not.
Yeah. What's up, everybody? My name is E-Double, and this is Black Paisley. Here we go. Yeah. I'm at the bar in my jeans and a shirt I got from Target, talking to some pretty lady. Said their blouse is from the forest. I said, great, I don't make clothes, but I could probably make those. Unravel simple stitches when I cut my fucking beat nose. Snow ceilings outside, old buildings looking like an indie picture that they made for the kids. But this kid ain't having it, cause roofs have advantages. I really ain't a fan of all this rain in my drink, so dump it out and grab a fresh John. On to the next one. Cup runneth over, I am feeling upper echelon. Mistakes have been made and my attitude is shitty, but that's not reason enough to have this party turn pity. So we owe until the sunrise. Loose ends untied, hands stay dumb high. Sipping on that Mumbai, gin and tonic, grease the wheels. Lemon lime, the rhymes are peeled. Monsters in the city, so let's run this town like Cloverfield. Raise the roof, love the shakes, let it burn with every taste. Sipping hard until it's easy and you're feeding to the bass. Lights on, cut them off, we don't need them shits at all. We are blind to all their facts, but we are happy where we are. Happy where we are. happy where we are. Happy where we are. We are blind. We are happy where we are. Robots can't drink, but I know that I can. Even on a double doses, I can. Dish that riff-raff, anybody's opiates, and arms traded like my veins for Taipan. It's the part of the night where I black out. 2 sheets to the wind, need a smack now. No sheets, no wah-wah, only roll phone when this town stop playing Joe Stackhouse. I got my vices, they got the ices, and they booby trapped all the nice shit. So take a knee, man, and drink a schmear off. It's not my cup of tea, so I veer off. I'm on my way now, vision quest out. Headphones and my battery is full power. Fuck a cab cause the music drives me. Silver ride time cause my mind got high beam. The Gatorade soothes me, but I'm choosy. Original colors cause the others never wooed me. No problem, I'm on that fruit punch. Can't bully me, I never lose lunch. In other words, I rarely vomit. Frequency is that of the Haley Comet. Unless I'm on the mic then it's fairly common. If I cap to the stomach like a Persian raisin. Love the shakes, let it burn with every taste. Sipping hard until it's easy and you're fiending for the bass. Lights on, cut them off. We don't need them shits at all. We are blind to all their facts, but we are happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. We are blind. We are happy where we are. When the sun comes back and my lungs are full of arrogance, recall the night's events. Hope I wasn't acting arrogant, but I probably was. I was sipping on the Seraphim, purchased by some bougie broads who thought I was a terrapin. Goddamn, I'm a turtle with a hard shell, stubborn as a used car dealer with his hard sell. But I ain't buying it, I can still retire this. Put the bottle down, pick it up and get higher. Raise the roof, love the shakes, let it burn with every taste. Sipping hard until it's easy and you're feeding for the bass. Lights on, cut them off, we don't need them shits at all. We are blind to all their facts, but we are happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. We are blind. We are happy where we are. Yeah. Happy Friday, everybody. My name is E-Double, Black Paisley Records. Lots of good things going on. I hope everyone's doing great. I hope everybody saw the Phillies and the Orioles with their nice wins last night. 11-0. You know what I mean? Phillies 9-5. Orioles, nice. Put some runs on the board. I know people hate it when I talk about baseball. And trust me, I don't care about it that much either. That's why it's even that much funnier. Anyway, hope everybody is doing just splendidly. Just splendidly. Have a great weekend. And if you don't mind, go to facebook.com/eatuphiphop, twitter.com/eatuphiphop. And please pass the music around if you enjoy it. And we got some real good stuff coming up at the end of the month. And I hope everybody's doing great. Talk to you guys soon.
The sun
on. Word.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be.
Cause you know I'm high as fuck.
Living young and wild and free.
So what? I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Washed it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Eat me some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers, and smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the damn with your bitch smoking gray.
You know what? It's like I'm 17 again, peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella taste. Oh my God, I'm on the chase. Chevy, it's getting kinda heavy. Irrelevant, selling it, dipping away. Time keeps slipping away. Zipping the safe, flipping for pay. Tipping like I'm dripping in paint. Up front, 4 blunts like a leaf, put the wheat in the
So
chain.
what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
And I don't even care, cause if me and my team in here, it's gonna be some weed in the air. Tell 'em, Mac.
Blowing everywhere we going, and now you knowin' when I step right up. Get my lighter so I can light up.
That's how it should be done. Soon as you thinking you're down, find how to turn things around. Now things are looking up.
From the ground up, pound up this Taylor gang. So turn my sound up and mount up and do my thing.
Now I'm chillin', fresh out of class, feeling like I'm on my own and I could probably own a building. Got my own car, no job, no children. Had a size project, me and Mac killed it.
THC, MAC, DEV, HD3, hi, it's me. This is us. We gon' fuss and we gon' fight and we gon' roll and live
So
all
what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
Yeah, roll one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun. So we just roll one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun.
So what, we get drunk.